Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, documents or picture folders are read only after a Windows update. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Open Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Ransomware Protection. Turn off controlled folder access. Click Yes to continue. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.